Hello there! Welcome to the BANU course, Build Apps as .NET Users. .NET Framework is a technology created by Microsoft. And you can use C#, a programming language, to build many kind of apps, including web app, mobile app, and desktop app, and etc. Why am I choosing this technology? Because this technology is frequently updated with many new features. It is also backed up by Microsoft, and that's why I feel secured. And personally, I think Microsoft's materials are very well documented, and the community is so huge that I can usually find the resource that I want anytime. If you are a beginner in apps development, or you are a beginner in the IT world, let me help you out a little bit. But if you are already a .NET developer, let's make .NET more awesome, my friends. Okay, let's move on to the development tool, Visual Studio. Hey guys, this is Visual Studio. I'm going to show you how to download it. With this tool, you can build many apps using C#. Now first go to Google and search for Visual Studio 2019. We want to download the community version, of course. So now click on the first link, if you can see here. And then there's a download Visual Studio options in the middle of the page. Click it and select Community 2019. Yeah, and right now, if you check on the Google Chrome tab, you can see that VS Community 11 has been downloaded. Open the folder and then double click on it. Click yes. Then click on continue. It will take a little while here. So I will skip this part. And here you can see it's almost done. After this, the installer preparation form will be displayed. Okay, here it is. It'll take a little bit of time over here to get things ready. In here you can see that there's something called Xamarin Forms. This will be the main technology we'll use for building mobile app with C#. And once we complete it, I think we'll go to .NET Core, where we'll use to build web app. It'll be a very exciting semester. I think it's almost done. Get yourself a good Wi-Fi spot, maybe in a cafe. If your home has a good Wi-Fi speed, then it's also going to be okay as well. Okay, the important thing here is you have to select ASP.NET, Web Development, and also scroll down to Mobile Development with .NET. This is Xamarin. And also one more option, which is .NET Core Cross-Platform Development down here. Click on that. The installer will load a little bit for calculating how much data you would use in your computer for installing this technology. Note that this is for Windows. And click Install. So after you have installed it, you can open it from the taskbar, and you will see Visual Studio 2019 ready. Click on Create a New Project. On the searching bar, click on .NET Core. And select .NET Core and click Next. You will name your first project as First App, and then select the location where the project will be saved. Then click Create. Now this will be the exciting part, the coding part. I will do just simple coding here for you, so click on this spot, hit enter, and write string space your name equal to, well, put your name there, and end with a semicolon. Now, on this side, you delete this part saying, and then rewrite as hello there. Then you plus and you click on your name. You can see that? Okay. And hit the play button. And a black console panel will appear and it will show up the text for you. Hello there something. And this is the first tutorial. Congratulations. We'll see you later.